What we bring by air is a mobile critical care unit with a paramedic and a nurse inside a helicopter, and we're there in 30 minutes.
When we are packed, safely secure in, that 429 just goes right up, and it's impressive to watch. People are like, whoa, like how fast that it goes. And I feel safe in it. Life Flight Network, they're the largest not-for-profit air medical program in the nation. And our mission is to save lives through industry-leading care. We operate through Washington, Oregon, Idaho, and Montana.
The locations that we fly to can vary tremendously. So we can go in one day to landing on the beach, and then landing up in the Cascade Mountains, and then crossing the mountains over to the east side of the state and picking up over there.
We can access those patients on those smaller remote islands and on those smaller remote peninsulas. We can access them in a matter of minutes versus a matter of hours or days, because we can actually just fly over the water and get to them in a much faster manner than having to wait for a ferry or a boat or some other service to help us with the rescue.
We deal with a lot of coastal fog, lower marine layers. Where flying VFR is just not a good idea. It is mountainous terrain. The 429, we just implemented our low IFR routes and precision, our PINS approaches into the hospitals. And they have been integral in getting in the Puget Sound, getting to hospitals that you just could not get to otherwise. So we have absolutely brought much faster life-saving care with that addition to our fleet. Our proprietary routes keeps us low in and around the Intermountain area or the Puget Sound. So the 429, again, with its 4-axis autopilot, navigates those routes and gets us to break out over a hospital at 300 feet, quarter mile, half mile, and we can get in and bring life-saving care to those patients.
Love them. They're an incredible aircraft. The 429 has the speed and the power. It's noticeably different when we are lifting from a scene, when, we have a goal of being skids down, skids up, 15 minutes or less.
We can bridge that distance from somebody who may not survive in the next hour to somebody who survived because we got them to definitive surgical care. The nice thing about flying in a 429 is that you can go wherever you need to go, and the 429 will get you there and it'll get you home.